Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hades in Smite 2. Hades, the lord of the Underworld, is a powerful magical god known for his versatility. He can dominate the solo lane, control the mid lane, or even provide strong support. His unique passive, Blight, is central to his kit, weakening enemies and empowering all his spells. Understanding how to apply and utilize Blight is key to unlocking his full potential on the battlefield. Let's dive into Hades' core abilities. His first ability, Death from Below, is a powerful leap that damages enemies and slows those afflicted with Blight. Shroud of Darkness, his second ability, silences foes in a cone, fearing blighted targets. Devour Souls, his third, is a crucial damage and healing tool, detonating blighted enemies for burst damage and restoring health. Finally, his ultimate, Pillar of Agony, creates a vortex that pulls enemies in, dealing continuous damage, and uniquely allows you to recast one other ability during its 4-second channel. Hades offers flexible build paths, allowing you to adapt to your team's needs. You can opt for a full damage burst mage, a durable bruiser, or even a tanky support. For damage-focused play, prioritize items that boost intelligence, cooldown reduction, and magical penetration. If you prefer more survivability, hybrid items with protections will enhance his crowd control and sustain. Early game, items like Book of Thoth and Warlock's Staff are excellent choices to scale his intelligence and power. To truly master Hades, remember these advanced tips. Always lead with a basic attack or Death from Below to apply Blight before using other abilities, maximizing their enhanced effects. Weave basic attacks between your spells to keep Blight active and maintain constant pressure. Use your ultimate, Pillar of Agony, strategically to initiate team fights, pulling in multiple enemies. Don't forget to recast an ability during your ultimate, perhaps Death from Below for repositioning, or Shroud of Darkness for additional crowd control and fear, to secure those crucial plays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.